How to change the player model. For this tutorial, we will use a free asset pack, Pixel Adventure 1, from the Unity Asset Store for character animations. Preparing the player prefab. Drag the existing player prefab into the hierarchy. Right-click the prefab and select Unpack Completely. Rename the prefab as needed to match the new player model. Replace the idle sprite of the visual object with the new sprite from the asset pack. Setting up new animations. Create a new animation override controller in the asset folder. Replace the old animations with the new ones from the asset pack. Assign this new override controller to the animator component of the player. Updating the prefab. Save the updated player as a new prefab in the asset folder. Replace the old player image with the new one in the menu scene. Replace the old prefab with the new one in the Fusion Manager. Testing the changes. Enter play mode and use the movement keys to control the player. Verify that the new player model works correctly with the updated animations. Thanks for using Clean Multiplayer Pro.